Welcome to Targeted Email Database. This is Kingshuk here from Targeted Email Database. In this video, I will take you through the email database of job seekers, and I will also, so that you can understand how exactly the data is, what is the format, how does it look like, etc. And I will also tell you how to use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short span of time. But first, let's look at the data. Let me copy the file first and paste it here. This data is particularly helpful and suitable for you if you are trying to promote something related to manpower consultancy job offers, or if you are trying to promote something related to training, any kind of training, school finishing training, or you are promoting any sort of part-time job offers or affiliate marketing offers, or any sort of training for the freshers or job seekers. For this purpose, this database is really helpful. Now this is the exact file. This is the exact file which you will get after you buy and download the data from our website www.targetedemaildatabase.com. The exact file, the data file is in Excel, but as you can see, the file extension is .rar, so that means it is compressed in rar. So what you need to do is extract. Make sure you have a WinRAR installed in your computer. If you do not have, please download and install it. It's a free software. After you extract, you will get the folder and the Excel files. There are, as you can see, there are several Excel files. Total 22 files are there, comprising the 22 files to comprise the entire database together. There are several files of different sizes, and few of the data will have a few of the files will have multiple sheets also in the Excel. I will show you. So let me open a file first. It might take a bit time to open because of the heavy file size. Altogether we have approximately 27 lakh data, which is huge in volume. 27 lakh data in total of different cities and location in India. It covers almost all metro cities, state capital and big cities, as well as the B towns, a bit smaller cities also. Yeah, now it's opening slowly. And use Microsoft Excel 2007 or higher version, because if you use any version lower than that, only 65,000 records will be displayed, but most of the files has more than 2 lakh data. Now as you can see, this is the exact thing which you will get, the exact file, and this is the exact data. As you can see, there are different rows and columns like name, email ID, functional area of the job seeker, area of specialization, exactly which specialization he or she is into, then the industry, his key skills, work experience, current employee name, salary, what is his current highest educational qualification, specialization, institute name, gender, age, address, everything. So this is the main format in which you will get the data. As you can see, there in this particular sheet we have 5,99,000 records, 5,99,679 exactly. So this is the file, and almost all the files has the same format. Okay, I will show you few other files also, almost same format. The columns might be jumbled up, that's it. Now, as you can see, there are all the records has email IDs. Email ID is a mandatory field in this data. In all the record, you will get the email IDs as well as other fields also, so that it is easier to file of the job he or she fits in. This is really a good data if you are a recruitment consultant or a training institute, probably for the training institute. This is a really good data. One of my client in Bangalore, they provide training, school finishing training, provide different kind of IT and non-IT training. They use this 27 lakh data, and approximately they have converted 3000 new students for their courses, 6 months school finishing courses. So you can understand, even if you convert a very small percentage of the entire data, you convert point 0.1% or even 0.5%, whatever, even if it is a very small percentage, you will end up gaining a huge number of new customer or client, whatever it is. And another of my client, they are into immigration consultancy. They send students abroad for the further studies. They also use this particular data. They are from Chandigarh. 27 lakh data they used, approximately 6,500 new lead generated, and eventually they converted 1800 new clients for them. So you can see 1800 new clients is really a huge boost to their sales and marketing, and that too within 2-3 months. So what I suggest is, if you use this particular data, target a very small percentage and concentrate on that. If you follow the standard practices of email marketing, like regular follow up or providing value added contents, you can do much better than 0.1%. That is really possible. That might take a bit time, that might take 2 months, 3 months time, but eventually that will happen. So as I always say, email marketing is a volume game. You send emails in a volume and just convert a small percentage and your ROI is done. So you can really use this data, you can really utilize this data to increase your sales and revenue at least 7 to 8 times within 2 to 3 months of time. If you use this data well, you can really do that. I will show you few of other files from this data. Say let's open this one, Chandigarh. Here also almost the same columns, few less columns in Chandigarh. The name, but main attributes you will get, like name, email ID, designation, current employer, age, address. This you will get. Now here in this file we have 1,27,000 records, almost 1,27,000 records. And let's say open this one. Let's say open Hyderabad. Now if you open Hyderabad also, the almost same columns, name, gender, email ID. Columns might be jumbled up. Gender is earlier here. Name, gender, email, address, current location, age, qualification, current designation, current employee, experience, etc. In this file we have approximately 1,23,000 records. Yep, 1,23,000 records. Let's scroll down a bit slowly. Yeah, as you can see, email IDs are present in all the records, as well as the name. Education field and the work experience field is also very important, because that is how you can segregate it if you want. Job seekers for promoting any sort of part-time job offer or affiliate marketing offer also. And in this data, 40% you will get freshers and 60% you will get experience but looking for a job or looking for a change. And in the data you will get job portal data also. Those who are registered with different consultancies and portals for their job search help, so that kind of people also you will get in this data. So overall it's a very good data. If you are able to utilize this data, this will, this can be a gold mine for you. So that is it. I wish you use this particular data to increase your sales and revenue to a multiple times within a very short period of time. If you think this video is helpful, please feel free to comment, share, like or subscribe. Thanks for watching.